Hey everyone, welcome back to How to Tutorials. In today's video, we will learn how to ignore messages on a messenger app. For this, open up the app. So before I started, let me tell you one thing, that there are three of the options to do it. So the very first option is to choose the chat that you want to ignore. Tap on this eye icon on the top right corner. Here you have one option. The very first one is tap on mute option. You will see that you can mute message notification, mute call notification, mute messages and call notification. I am going to mute message notification. You can choose off here on and then tap on OK. And even you can choose the time for it. So I'm going to tap on until I change it. You can also do the same or as per your choice and then tap on OK option. Now scroll down and you will see two of the extra options. The first one is to restrict. Tap on restrict. You will see that you can move the chat out of sight, even hide your activity and even unrestrict at any time. So tap on restrict this particular person. So you can see that this account has been restricted and you wouldn't get any of the messages from here. The final option is to tap on this block option. Tap on block and you will see that you can block messages and calls, or either you can block them on Facebook. Since we want to ignore the messages only, so I'm going to tap on block messages and calls and then tap on block once again. So you can see that I have already blocked it. So the next option that I can do is even delete the chats, but I don't want to do it. So I'm going to go back and then you can see that I have successfully turned all of the options to ignore the messages. So you wouldn't get any of the messages from this particular account. So this is how you do it. I hope this video was really helpful for you and I was able to help you. I am going to see you on the next video. Till then, keep calm, stay safe and goodbye.